Hello, thank you for your support, and you are welcome to subscribe to our channel. My job is to read this book to my audiences. That is all I am here to do. This channel has full authorization of reading this entire book. Today, I will be reading the book, titled, ChatGPT Money Machine, How to Make $1,000 Plus a Day Using OpenAI ChatGPT. Written by Zach Collins. Chapter 2, Why Use OpenAI ChatGPT to Make Money? Title 1, Introduction. OpenAI ChatGPT is a powerful conversational AI language model that is capable of generating human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. With its natural-sounding responses, flexibility, ability to handle complex conversations, and backing by OpenAI, it is one of the most advanced conversational AI platforms available today. In this blog post, we will explore why OpenAI ChatGPT is an excellent choice for those looking to make money using chatbots. Title 2, Getting Started with OpenAI ChatGPT. Before we dive into how to use OpenAI ChatGPT to make money, it's important to understand how to get started with the platform. Setting up an account is the first step, and OpenAI offers a variety of plans to choose from depending on your needs. Once you've chosen the right plan, you can begin creating chatbots. Title 3, Creating Chatbots with OpenAI ChatGPT. Creating a chatbot with OpenAI ChatGPT involves defining the purpose and scope of your chatbot, training it, and testing and refining it. The purpose of your chatbot should be clear and specific, and should align with your goals for making money. For example, you might create a chatbot to help customers find products on your e-commerce site, or a chatbot to provide customer support for your business. Training your chatbot involves feeding it with data and examples of conversations related to its purpose. OpenAI ChatGPT uses this data to generate natural-sounding responses to new conversations. Testing and refining your chatbot is an ongoing process that involves analyzing its performance and making adjustments as needed. Title 4, Monetizing your OpenAI ChatGPT chatbot. Once you've created a chatbot with OpenAI ChatGPT, the next step is to monetize it. Choosing a profitable niche is key to making money with your chatbot. You might consider niches such as e-commerce, healthcare, or finance, depending on your interests and expertise. Implementing effective monetization strategies is also important. One common strategy is to charge users for access to your chatbot, either through a subscription model or pay-per-use model. Another strategy is to use your chatbot to drive sales for your business, by recommending products or services to users. Title 5, Best Practices for Success with OpenAI ChatGPT. Staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the chatbot industry is essential for success with OpenAI ChatGPT. This includes staying informed about new features and updates to the platform, as well as keeping up with industry best practices. Leveraging community resources is also important. OpenAI offers a community forum where users can connect with each other and share tips and advice for using the platform. Additionally, there are a variety of online resources available, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels, that can provide valuable insights and guidance. Title 6, Conclusion. OpenAI ChatGPT is a powerful tool for those looking to make money using chatbots. Its natural-sounding responses, flexibility, ability to handle complex conversations, and backing by OpenAI make it an excellent choice for creating chatbots that can generate revenue. By following best practices for success with the platform, and choosing profitable niches and effective monetization strategies, you can create chatbots that are both profitable and valuable to users. Thank you for listening. Chapter 1 of the book, ChatGPT Money Machine, How to Make $1,000 Plus a Day Using OpenAI ChatGPT. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next chapter.